another episode. We are going to do an unboxing. I haven't unboxed it yet. Of a KastKing digital scale. So, yeah, we'll have to put that over here. We'll turn you guys down a bit. Okay. Alright, so we've got underneath, we've got the instruction manual. So it's in Chinese. I can read some of that, but not all of it. So let's go to the English portion. This is in Chinese. Chengkun. That's what that means. This is Chinese. Inwen. That means English. So, a little rusty on my Chinese since I don't work in Taiwan anymore. But this, well, it's got battery included. Pop this baby out. It should work. Bam. And it does. Ooh. Now it's got a hook keeper right here, which is really nice. And it's got a measuring tape. Look at that. Nice. So, let's see. It can weigh up to 50 pounds, or 110 pounds, 50 kilograms. So, I don't know if I could lift 110 pounds. So, that's cool. And you've got 3 buttons on it. So, you've got memory mode, which was kind of cool. You can store up to, I think 9. Save a weight to memory. 10. You could save up to 10 fishes' weights in here, which is really nice. And let's see, unit selection. So that's a U. Seems reasonable. There's pounds, ounces, pounds and ounces, and metric. So let's see. Go to ounces. Let's see something. All right, well, with full spool of, that's 10 ounces. Ooh, it's pretty heavy. It's actually only 6.8 ounces, supposedly. So, there's that. Anyway, it's water resistant, it's not waterproof. Okay, they do make a waterproof one. It's water resistant. But this one can measure up to 110 pounds. And nice backlit display on it. Hold down the power button. I assume you hold it down. Let's see, it's flashing. Let's see. The new, you hold it down. You hold it down. So, that, yeah, it says right on the bottom, 110 pounds. So, this, you just pop right here. And that, a nice non-slip handle. I don't have big hands, so it fits me perfectly. So if you have big hands, I think you just probably put 3 fingers in that baby. But it's got non-slip rubberized sides to it. I'll put a link to this down below. Please subscribe. And this right here, I think it wasn't very much. It was like 15. So check below. Subscribe over here, down at the corner. And this will be really, really nice. I have an analog one now. Hard to read. You sort of guess. So this will give me nice accurate measurements. Store it. I like the keeper. I like the measuring tape. Got it hanging. So it's just hanging there. I can see, bam. Anyway, go down below, click, link, buy it, have fun with it. Keep your lines tight, everybody.